Hi everyone, the purpose of this video is to go over our syllabus and schedule for the semester. So I'm not going to read this word for word. I know you guys can obviously read it in more detail, but I did want to go over some of the high points. First, this is all my information, where my office is located, my phone number. Best way to reach me is through email, and please use this email address. I don't check the messages on the Blackboard, so please use this email address to email me. Happy to meet with you anytime, virtually, or if we want to meet in person, just let me know and we can schedule something. So this is our department mission, to foster the co-construction of better social worlds through positive communication. One way that we're going to talk about this is through interviewing and how an interviewer and an interviewee work together. They co-construct an experience that's hopefully focused on positive communication. These are all of our goals for the semester, and as we go through the semester and we do various assignments, we'll be focused on analyzing messages, developing messages, anticipating communication barriers, looking at our communicative goals, embracing difference, and influencing discourse. And at the end of the semester, you'll have an assignment where you will have the opportunity to relate what you have learned to each of these goals that we have in our department. So basically, this is a skills-based course, as I said in the introduction. It is face-to-face and it's also online. You guys are in the online course, so everything that you do will be turned in online. And these are our learning outcomes. We have 7. We're going to be talking about the theories associated with interviewing. We're going to look at ethics. We're going to look at effective questioning. We're going to answer questions that in an appropriate and competently in several interviewing contexts. We're going to look at probing interviews and analysis. We're going to look at professionalism, and we're going to do some self-analysis to understand how to articulate your knowledge, skills, and abilities in an interview setting. So we have lots of things that we're going to do over the next 7 weeks. We have 2 books that we're using, and hopefully that you'll find these as very practical. And just to kind of give you a little bit of background on the textbooks for this class, there's lots of interviewing books out there. They're very expensive, and for a 7-week class, I didn't think that might be the best fit. I mean, I have plenty of resources that I'll be using to teach kind of asking questions and different types of questions. I'll provide you with additional readings on that. That's just some very basic knowledge. What I really wanted was a practical guide to the job interview, because I know that a lot of people take this class because either you're going to have to conduct interviews or at some point in your life in a job, or we're all going to go on job interviews. So this class is going to spend quite a bit of time talking about the job interview experience. And this book, What Color is Your Parachute, offers some very practical communication-related things that you experience in an interview process. And so I really wanted to have the opportunity to explore that using this book. There's also a workbook associated with it, and that is the Job Hunters Workbook. We're going to work with the workbook all semester to figure out these petals and this flower that they're going to have us create. But basically, it's a lot of self-analysis, which will help you greatly when it comes time to search for a job and interview for a job. So this class is divided into 2 units. The first unit is called the Introduction to Interviewing. The second is called the Employment Interview. So for the first one, we're going to learn the basics. You'll have an opportunity to either complete an interview with someone whose job you'd like to have one day, or with a family or friend. And then in the employment interview, we're going through the whole process from the interviewee and interviewer perspective. And you'll have a partner and you will do an actual interview with that person. And I'll tell you more about that much later on. No need to worry about that right now. So the assignments for this class, we do chapter assignments, major assignments, prep, about 125 to 200 points. And then we have 2 major assignments that will involve quite a few points associated with that. I just have some basic general policies. Just please be respectful. You're going to be learning about different people through this class, and so, you know, we all have different viewpoints and beliefs, and I think it's important that we respect one another's opinion, even if we don't agree. The deadlines, this class is going to go fast. It's a 7-week class. So you've got to meet the deadlines and keep up with the work. I don't want anyone to get behind at the end and not be able to finish it. And then most importantly, openness and communication. Tell me when you're struggling. Tell me if you need something. I can't help you if I don't know. So please keep our lines of communication open. I attempt to respond to emails and messages within 24 hours, and if I am going to be unavailable for a day or two, I will let you know. So if I'm going to be out of pocket, maybe not have good access to Wi-Fi or something, I will let you know. We do expect honesty, and I know this is an online class. There's really no opportunity for cheating necessarily. There's no quizzes or exams or anything like that. I mean, all of this work should be your own. It's going to be all about your own personal experiences. But, you know, keep integrity and honesty in the forefront in your mind as you're doing these things. These are all student resources, Blackboard support, IT services. Definitely, if you have a disability that impedes your ability to successfully complete this course, please let me know if you need accommodation for that. Let's see, we have the library resources. Our own skill center, which is located in our department, is a great resource for help with assignments, you know, even if it's not for this class, presentations, you know, things like that. And then the link is in our College of Social Sciences and Communication. And it's a great one-stop shop place for current and prospective students. And we'll actually be using some of their resources when we talk about employment interviews as we progress in the semester. So that's just a quick run through of the syllabus, kind of your basics, basic information. The schedule is located here. And I'll briefly show you how this works. I try to be very organized and very clear on what's expected. So this is the schedule, and the way I have this, I have every day of the week here, and I've actually just listed through the first 4 weeks. After the 4 weeks, then I'll do another 3.5-week schedule to end the semester. But this is the first 4 weeks. On Monday, you will see this is what we'll be covering for the week. So for example, on January 22nd, you need to watch these videos, you need to review these requirements, and these are the workbook pages we'll be doing. On the 29th, here's the video you need to watch, and here's the workbook pages, and so on. If there's something due, like here, interview agenda, that's due on that day, you know, that's when you'll need to turn it in. And you'll see I have due dates. I try to do the due dates at the end of the week, and you're welcome to work ahead. So I typically post 2 weeks at a time. That's my goal. It may not always happen that way. It may just be a week at a time. But I try to post as early as I can get information out there because I know some of you guys like to work ahead, and that's perfectly okay. So, for example, the January 19th is the very first thing. It's a self-intro speech, just 1 to 2 minutes about yourself. But then next week we get into the actual assignments. And so you'll see here an interview analysis is due on the 25th. So to find that assignment, you just go back to the corresponding week, click on it, and you will see this is the interview analysis and the date that it is due. And so this is the assignment. To post it, I'm sure most of you know this, but you click on it, you click Create Thread, and then you're able to put your assignment there, and everyone can see it. So for most of these assignments, everyone will be able to see it. However, we will be completing pages out of the workbook, and that's going to be a lot of self-analysis. So all of the workbook assignments, those are private. No one can see those. I thought you might want to put something personal or didn't really want people maybe necessarily reading all of that. So the workbook pages will be private, and the discussion questions like this one will be public. And I encourage you to respond to one another. It's not a requirement, but I have found that as you read things that people post, feel free to put a comment in there. You will have a partner that will be assigned a couple weeks into the semester, and you and your partner may want to respond to one another. So I think that's great. But again, with the schedule, with the syllabus, with the way the class is laid out, I try very hard to make it logical and connect. If at any time it does not, then please let me know, because I want to make sure that everything is as clear as possible. You will see lots of videos explaining all of these assignments as we progress and as we move through. I will also be posting additional readings of information, of resources that I have, and so that will just help you as you complete the assignments. But if at any time you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask. I am here to help, and I want to make sure that you have a successful semester. So please keep in touch with me, and I just look forward to spending the next 7 weeks with you guys. Thank you.